Still got nothing.
Day 3 of Montana's Great Centennial Cattle Drive is winding down. But with the 60-mile trek now more than half over, spirits along the trail are running high.
This has been a beautiful experience. Just watching people work together as well as they have is just a heartwarming experience. It's too bad the whole state couldn't have participated fully, because it's something that will just build memories and be talked about for the next 100 years.
We're getting along fine. We're enjoying it. And we're very dirty.
With another day under the belt, evening brings a welcome break from the long, dusty ride. It's time for relaxation, a little music, some tender, loving care, and a good old-fashioned Montana shower.
She's a Montana woman, boy.
As the cowboys and cowgirls kick back to reflect on the week's events, it's time to put those feelings into words and song, courtesy of Mary Pemberton of Belt and Mike Morris of Augusta.
And we always will remember Montana's cattle drive, the 89 Centennial, if we come out alive. And we rounded up them doggies, no folks weren't sure we could. We drove them into Billings, said the hell with Hollywood.
With the Montana Centennial Cattle Drive near Billings, I'm Jay Kohn reporting for the news station.